Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The United States government says children of the officer called the marks of the tornado case. People for taking and the right be searching, but it's not forcing. And America has been threatening its growth over the global and the present system to force and the struggle to cut down on what we hope, but also to project forward right. Economy Censor likes the almost term followed by the Formulating Office and the President Asset Control, all available for refund. The agent cite this that enforcement economy and the guards skillful on UC phrases, police and the national security goals in the days will to face trial to terrorists and the other this to tenderness national security, police and their economy and the other when they stay. Still fall 30 when the buy ensure of the global, the second country was in the last the ref because the role the UC we found a crisis the dollar, the laggard and the security fall a foreign other country to find an alternative. One the like winner from this document is recon BTC to see why we that know to study and the record of money face the counterlies UC dollar. The Harfield and the Starsville, whereas the larger performance can only be made strong the working strength and the working net government seeking to alter the severity is in receipt and the double government to not only control the issue of the other money, but also access to it for the use of the risk country. Minority can send south and the because they also fall for refund again as the disturb as bomb and the quality. Really, tornado castle that Philippines can escape the regulation, but count the following because in the house is error can source in the rest time payment system. Alio can make payment to Alio as well or without and the involvement of a less intermediary government can still will forward of individual exchange to content of minor by day that can stop the protocol of the community that harm it. Bitcoin is also a vertical invoice that will crash can never be alone with vertical station at the rivers. The UC has already taken the drastic turf, the phrasing, the slogan, exchange the Russia and the Afghanistan. Regardless, they awful opening on the other Unity side and the driven how they find that dollar discount their only sign the loss as they're turning always time on the American side. The UT's time government setting of the offer scorecard that make up the turnable case for protocol might be shocking, but it's not freezing, and America has been checking its girlfriend over the global financial system for the Australia to cut down a rate. The American would also to project full rate. Economy session relied on the followed by a full name office on price access control area and forward we often will order a website stating that its operation, economy and a service basis on the radar, police and the other security goals. Security goals at the tourist and the radar to national economy and United States. Scout staff fully when gather in the global security but the less and the rough because the more the UC will find access all for any other country to find an alternative. Unlike winner from this dynamic is requiring BTC to see why need to study in the order of money. Fight currency like the UC dollar have the other transfer Venezuelan payment can only be made during the ranking time, and Brexit's net government tends to throttle symbiotic reality and the federal government to not only control the user of money, but also access to it for the UC in traditionally military Kershaw become as fully weapon a golfing history above a blatant. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.